Alright guys, welcome back one more time today. Got a 2014 Denali 1500 GMC loaded crew cab short bed 4x4 truck. This truck just came in. You guys seem to be really loving my before and after post videos. This particular one, no different than the rest. Come around the other side real quick and I'll show you. Literally just picked it up. It was traded in at the new car dealership. I did my thorough test drive, which includes highway, back road, all that good stuff. No issues. You can see not for sale because it's not for sale yet. It wasn't for sale there. You can still see their check-in information. It's a 2014. It's got 175,700 miles. This was a trade-in, basically, I guess, on a brand new one. Interior's clean. This is exactly the way we got it. Again, I just purchased this truck. It will be going through service. It will be going through inspection. And this is another one I'm going to tell you guys. It's going to be first come, first serve. And if you guys haven't figured out yet, most time when I say that, they never make their way to the website because they're a great price. Same here, $19,995, under 20 grand for a 2014 175K miles with no issues. And I'm going to go one step further. The tires on this, they will pass inspection. They're okay on tread, but I'm going to put 4 brand new tires on it. I just checked with my supplier and they have them in stock. So while we're servicing and inspecting it, they're 22s. We're going to put 4 brand new tires on it. This truck's got a bed liner, it's got a bed cover, and it's also got a bed mat. So somebody took pretty good care of this truck. It's actually a fitted, custom cut bed mat. And then it's got the rollback cover on it. Rear view camera, tow hitch receiver, tow hitch plug, also has factory trailer brake control. Parking assist, side steps, windows are tinted kind of dark. You might want to check with your state. They may be too dark for your state. And it's got vent visors. Let's jump in and take it for a ride. All right, running down the road. Another way I can prove to you this just came in on trade. If you look at the fuel gauge, nobody ever trades a vehicle in with fuel. So we got to stop by the fuel station here and get some gas. But everything inside works. No glitches with the screen. The touch screen's not all beat up. The stuff's not wore off the interior here. Climate control works hot to cold, so the blend door's working properly. Big problem on these trucks, very expensive to fix. No check engine lights, no trouble codes, no tire sensor codes. And as always, we can't barely get a video done without a phone call. Sunroof, let's try that out. Have not tried that yet. Oh, that's back window. Back window works. Are we lucky or not? Yep, up and down. Sunroof works. Also might not seem like a big deal, but if you ever had a broken sunroof, it's $1,000 to $1,500 to fix it. So it's got a OnStar, power back window, heated, cooled, memory, power seats, Bose stereo. I think she zoomed in on the interior here, but no cracks or flaws on the interior. When my guy details it, he will put some leather conditioner on it. But somebody took good care of this truck because obviously, once again, nobody puts gas in their truck when they trade it. They also never clean their truck before they trade it. So usually when we get a trade in, it's a little dirty like you guys have seen in the past. I'm not afraid to show them, but sometimes they're a little dirty. This one is not. So got all your little power points and hookups, cigarette lighters, power points. It does have a power inverter, parking assist, jellyfish thrower, traction control, power pedals. Trista doesn't know what a jellyfish thrower is. I have to tell her that after this because she didn't even smirk, so she didn't even know. Let's see what we got in the glove box. Nothing. Oh, owner's manual and original window sticker. There it is. $55,000. So you're able to buy this truck for almost a third of what it sold for new. And if you maintain this, it is a 6.2 Vortec engine, and we have had this motor in a lot of heavy duty trucks. If you maintain this truck, you should be able to double or triple the life expectancy currently, but you do have to maintain it. Upkeep on these trucks is pretty minimum. Service, inspection once a year. We're going to have a fresh Virginia inspection, which it is due for. That will be done probably tomorrow. So any of you guys interested, you will see this video drop. Please call. It will be tomorrow before it's ready. But if you do call and speak for it, you will get it. You will see where we just had I think it's on one of our social medias where we had a guy complain because we posted one of these trucks for a great deal. He called the next morning. He came down. He looked at it. He kind of hemmed and hawed. Even though the price was great, he was asking for a couple bucks off. But in the meantime, somebody called and said, look, I'm leaving my credit union with a check. They were a repeat buyer. They bought from us before, and they were a couple hours away. So they literally sent a picture of the check, said, hey, I'm on the way. Please hold the truck for us. So while that guy was thinking about it and making his mind up, the other people bought it. So he was upset because he was trying to play the game and taking time. The other people showed up, literally walked past the truck, came in, signed their paperwork, took it home, and have called since to check on their paperwork and their tags, and thrilled to death. So that's how we like to do it, guys. And that does happen quite often. So unfortunately, I only got one 2014 Denali for 20 grand. If you're interested, jump on it now. It's real, it's live, it is in stock. Davis Auto Sales. Please check us out. All inventory on the website. This one will not be on the web until tomorrow, but it is available. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.